Welcome to today's Explainer. We've got something really special lined up. A perfect blend of a fascinating personal project and a cutting-edge professional case study. We're diving into Europa 2026. It's a custom travel dashboard built by developers Bruno and Eduarda that ended up proving to be way more than just a vacation planner. Here is a quick look at our roadmap. We'll start with the travel organization problem, introduce the Europa 2026 solution, take a peek inside the dashboard, break down the tech stack, uncover a pretty massive AI development twist, and finally, discuss the real-world professional relevance of it all. Section 1. The Travel Organization Problem. Okay, so picture this. You're planning a massive 29-day trip across 8 European countries. For Bruno and Eduarda, relying on scattered Notion pages, messy PDFs buried in inboxes, and endless WhatsApp groups, that just wasn't going to cut it. When you're managing flights, trains, and hotel check-ins across borders, hunting for a confirmation number in a busy airport is literally a nightmare. They needed a single, unified digital hub that they could pull up from anywhere. Section 2. Introducing Europa 2026. And here is their brilliant answer, the Europa 2026 dashboard. It's a beautifully designed single-page application, or SPA, tailor-made to be the ultimate, centralized hub for their journey. It tracked their massive adventure visually and completely replaced dozens of standalone apps. To give you some context, this was a personal initiative for their trip through 8 countries and 10 cities, from Portugal and the Netherlands all the way down to France and Spain. But the objective was highly technical, right? They wanted to build a flawless, real-time travel logistics platform that worked perfectly on mobile while they were actually on the go. Section 3. Let's look inside the dashboard. What's really cool here is the sheer depth of the features. It uses OpenStreetMap to power a rich interactive map, plotting the entire European route with custom markers. And right alongside that, there's a smart timeline. It organizes every single flight, train ride, and tour in strict chronological order, dynamically formatting them based on their exact location at the time. The transport logistics interface handles the complex stuff beautifully. We're talking visual cards for flights and trains, booking locators, and real-time countdowns for boarding and check-ins. You can literally just tap a button to copy a locator code or pull up a digital ticket right there. No digging through emails required. Every single accommodation and ticket was categorized too. From a hostel in Lisbon to the Anne Frank House in Amsterdam, everything had dynamic status updates, like done, today, or coming soon. It guaranteed they wouldn't miss a single reservation and kept the whole 29 days completely organized. Now, here's a crucial detail that really elevates this as a professional showcase: the privacy toggle. Bruno wanted to share this project as a portfolio piece on LinkedIn, so he built in this global feature. With just one click, it zeroes out all the expense values. It hides the personal financial data, meaning he can safely share his screen without broadcasting their actual travel budget. It's just a brilliant touch of professional polish. And the polish definitely doesn't stop there. The platform features full internationalization, flipping seamlessly between Portuguese and English. Plus, it uses this stunning glass morphism design system that supports both dark mode and a really elegant light mode. It genuinely looks and feels like a premium app. Section 4. The Technology Stack. You might assume an app this robust took months to code, but let's look under the hood. The architecture is remarkably modern, running on React 19, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS. But here's the fascinating part. There's no traditional database. Bruno centralized all the data into local TypeScript files. Why? To guarantee lightning-fast performance, eliminate any reliance on servers while traveling, and make it super easy to replicate for future trips. Section 5. The AI Development Twist. Okay, here is the massive twist that turns this from a cool travel app into a groundbreaking case study. Bruno built this entire polished application in just 1.5 days. I know, it sounds impossible, right? Well, he didn't write every single line of code himself. Instead, he tested a brand new paradigm called vibe coding. Bruno acted as the architect and prompt engineer. He fed in his consolidated travel data, while an AI agent actually generated the complex React and TypeScript architecture. And the best part? This AI-generated app was rigorously validated in the real world, used every single day during their nearly month-long trip. Section 6. Professional Relevance. And you know what? It worked flawlessly. The quality and utility of Europa 2026 prove that AI-assisted web development isn't just industry hype anymore. It is a highly capable, functional reality right now, able to build complex, interactive apps at mind-blowing speeds. But, and this is a big but, Bruno offers a really vital warning for developers here. He says, I do not intend to use this for critical enterprise projects. Not deeply knowing the code architecture is a certain vulnerability. Even if you know how to code, generating an entire codebase with AI without understanding the underlying architectural decisions and then blindly deploying that into a sensitive enterprise environment, that's a massive security and maintenance risk. So where does this fit into our actual workflows? The true superpower here is rapid prototyping. It's the ultimate tool for getting ideas off paper instantly, whether you're building a minimum viable product or putting together a functional prototype to show a client and prove a concept before a huge financial investment. You can literally accomplish in a weekend what used to take weeks. Europa 2026 shows us that the barrier to bringing our ideas to life has never been lower, which leaves us with a pretty thrilling professional question. How will you leverage AI as your co-pilot and use this vibe coding approach to accelerate your next big prototype? Thanks so much for joining us for this explainer. I hope this sparked some incredible ideas, and we'll see you next time.